concept of left hand side and right hand side. Whatever coming before colon is a left hand side, rating and value. Whatever is coming after colon is right hand side. Left hand side is like to imitate a input as a structure. So left hand side is a structure to pick a particular node to be transformed from a input. So here we specify that go into rating, go into value and pick up that node, pick up that value, and where to put is here in right hand side, customer rating. This right hand side can be a dot separated JSON path formatted structure where you can depict your structure using dot separated format. Consider this. Here I am specifying left hand side rating, rating, value, value as just imitating a structure of input, rating, value inside rating, value inside rating. So I am imitating a structure. I picked up this particular value. Now where I need to put? I need to put it into a customer rating dot value. So I am specifying a output structure in a dot separated JSON path format, specifying that go create customer rating as a field, inside that create a value as a field, and whatever I picked up right now place it there. Okay, so here you can have a any kind of structure which you can depict using dot separated format.